Want to quickly transfer files from your SD card to the iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. And if you watch to the end, you will learn how to keep your data safe from loss. So firstly, what you're gonna need is an SD card reader, which should be either with the Lightning if you have, for example, iPhone 14 or older models, or with USB Type-C if you have models newer than iPhone 15. So, take your SD card, put it in the reader till it will click, and then just connect it to your phone like this. Now, to check files on that SD card, we are gonna swipe down for the Spotlight search and find Files app, which looks like that. After that, you're just gonna find this section untitled, which is your SD card. By clicking it, you will see all of your files. So to transfer them to the iPhone's internal storage, you're gonna press and hold that file, choose to copy, then go back and select location on your iPhone. It could be iCloud Drive or just on my iPhone. Then press and hold any empty spot on the screen and choose option paste. And now the file is transferred to your iPhone's internal storage. And a little tip for you guys, you can do the same but reverse, so you can transfer files from your iPhone storage to the SD card. And now to safely remove it from your iPhone, you're gonna just unplug the cable, and that's it. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.